Greetings from Stockholm, Sweden, and my beautiful special spot here on the Flaten lake in south of Stockholm. This is Ekudden, one of the unofficial nudist beaches in Stockholm that I have visited many times before, located in the Flaten Nature Reserve in beautiful Stockholm, obviously. It is 13th of May 2025 and the semi-final one of Eurovision 2025 is tonight and Sweden is participating tonight. Kai, the Finnish trio that has won Melodifestivalen 2025, that was actually, they were against the previous Eurovision winner, Måns Zelmerlöw, that came second and almost won. But I'm so happy that Kai won because their song is the best and they are the odds favorite to win tonight. So I'm so excited about tonight. I'm a bit sad that I'm not in Basel, but on the other side I'm a bit relieved so I can watch it in a bit more less tenseful atmosphere, as last year I was in Malmo and it was so much, even though it was spectacular, I spent so much energy and stuff, so after all my travels I felt like I need to calm down. And yes, if Kai wins on Saturday, if they win, we're gonna be in Stockholm probably next year, so I can go and see the Eurovision live once again. And it will be my third time in Sweden that I'm gonna see Eurovision live, as I saw it live in Stockholm 2016, last year in Malmo 2024, and next year 2026 hopefully. So that's it. My flag will be waving for Kai, as if you have seen my shorts, I have featured their song a million times. So by this point, if you are watching my videos, you have probably stumbled upon my Bara Badabastu dances. Anyway, we have quite a warm day, 18 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the water I just measured in this lake 15 degrees Celsius. Slightly warmer than yesterday when I was at Sheltorpsjön and Norra Sheltorsbadet. And yeah, I really missed Flaten Lake. I haven't been here for quite a long time. And today is beach day number 5 on my Sweden beach adventures in 2025. I know it's a bit way too off this year as I was traveling, and the record from last year won't be endangered, as now it's technically not possible to reach it. 215 days. Let me see, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, 7 times 30, 20, 210. Okay, so it's possible, but I wouldn't be wanting, but I will be traveling a lot more, so it's not possible theoretically. So we're gonna try it out maybe next year. All right, so this beach is marked as a nudist beach on one of the nudist beach maps, but obviously in most of the nature you can find such spots where nobody is there or very few people, so it is allowed to be naked as well. So yeah, Ekudden. I came here with my bicycle, the Scott, in a very nice cycling tracks, and the last part through the forest, around 8.5 kilometers I think it was. And from here I'm overlooking the Stora Flatenbadet that is completely empty, and the two other smaller beaches, Barnbadet and Lilla Flatenbadet. All right, so I'm so happy that I am back in Stockholm after all my travels and looking forward to more exciting beach adventures here in Stockholm and Sweden. I might be traveling around the Nordics in summer. I want to go beach adventures in Finland actually. I've never been. I mean, I have been to Finland, but I haven't swam, I believe. I was in Helsinki European Championships 2012. I visited a beach, but I'm not sure if I was swimming on the beach. Anyway, the lake looks quite nice, and I really love this type of rock formations. If you have been watching my videos, you already know by now. So yeah, let's go. I see that the seagrass is is growing, and it's gonna be a lot more than that. So I'm gonna go here actually before the seagrass becomes too big soon to swim. Perfect. This lake is so beautiful and so clean, and I really love it. One of my favorites. And it's quite a big lake, and you can find a lot of more other nudist beach spots on the north side of the lake as well. So yeah, then off we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh yes, so nice, refreshing, and so deep as well. Beautiful. My new GoPro 13, Hero 13 in white edition has arrived, so I'm gonna be getting it later from the store where it's laying as I have ordered it. It was traveling from the Netherlands actually. So looking forward to do my next beach adventure with my new GoPro, and this one, the Hero 11, as I have changed the protective lens actually yesterday, now it works. It's gonna be my backup for my beach adventures. Alright, so greetings from Stockholm, Sweden. It's time to say goodbye for now. Thank you so much for joining, and looking forward to the Eurovision 2025 semi-final 1 tonight, and vote for Kai, and hope they win also on Saturday on the big final. Thanks a lot, and greetings from Ekudden and Flaten, this beautiful nudist beach spot. Cheers! And don't forget to follow for more beach adventures with Chris!